What's up everyone, CPS blog is here and today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and the error is CE-107527-2 installation failed. So sometime you have a network problem, that's why installation failed. Sometime you don't have enough storage in your console, that's why it's failed. But I'm just going to share my screen on my left side and here we go. I'm just tell you about it and here we go. Here is the downloading your application and here is the uploading and downloading. If you get the error some time off, and then you just go to the settings, check your storage first. If you don't have a storage, must make a space in your storage, delete some data, and you can connect the external storage also and check the server. Sometimes the server is not working, your local internet is working but server is down, and sometime. So if the server is down, then you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. You do nothing. If the server is working up and good, then you check your local internet. Maybe local internet is not working and you just test the connection speed also. Maybe sometime the speed is not working, so that's why your installation get failed. And sometime if you're using a disk not downloading, you check your disk, maybe some your disk have some problem, not clean, scratches on it. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question for more details, you just put a comment in the comment box and see you soon for the next one.